In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users and give workers access to Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly how to invite team members to your store and control what they can and can't do inside your admin. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account and that you're on the right store. From your main Shopify dashboard, this is the homepage where you see your orders, sales overview, and other admin options. Look down to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a menu item labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. Inside the Settings area, you'll see a list of different sections for your store. What we want to focus on is the section that handles access and permissions. Look for the option labeled Users. This is where you manage who can log into your Shopify admin and what level of access they have. Click on Users to open the Users dashboard. On the Users page, you'll see a list of people who already have access to your store, along with their status and roles. To add a new worker or team member, look for a button that says Add Users. Click on Add Users to start creating a new user invitation. A form will appear asking for the email address of the person you want to invite. Type in your worker's email address carefully, making sure there are no typos, because this is where Shopify will send the invitation link. This should be an email they actually use and have access to, since they'll need to open it to accept the invite. Once the email address is entered, you'll see an option to assign access. Click on Assign. This will let you choose what role or permission set this new user should have. Shopify roles control what parts of the store they can see and what actions they can perform. For example, you might give a staff member access to orders and products, but not to billing or sensitive account settings. From the list of roles that appears, click on the role you would like to assign to this user. Take a moment to think about the responsibilities of this person and pick the role that best matches what they actually need to do. When you're happy with the role selection, click on Save. Shopify will now send an invitation email to that address. If you go back to the user's dashboard, you'll see the new email listed with a status of pending. It will stay in pending until the person opens the email and accepts the invitation to access your store. Once they accept, their status will change